Replacing kitchen faucet is pretty simple, and soap dispenser. So I have problem, it's little old, and the water flow is also less, so I tried to change this and clean. Also you can open this and there is a filter, you can clean this one, but this did not help. So I want to replace this now, and then I replace this one. So this is pretty straightforward. You have to just open, there is a down there you can see that there is a small holder, soap holder. Just you have to open that and take this out and replace it. This one also pretty straightforward. You can have 3 hole or 1 hole. I have one single one. If you have 3 one, you have to put that the covering one and then replace it. So this will start replacing the faucet. So faucet will have 4 pipe. So all are marked. So one is for cold water, one is for hot water, and one this is for the spray. So this comes back and connects it here. So there will be a connector. You will get this connector separate, and this is weight, just holding it down. So this is a weight thing. So let's start replacing these 2 lines, and then just have to press this one. This is for a spray, and take this out. This comes out, and then this is weight. Just pull it, it will come out. So that's it. You are done here down, and then we have something tight here. We have to open this one. We have to open from down here. This comes out. So this is the bottom part. Pretty easy. Just turn it like this by hand. It will open and come up, and just put all over this. That's it. The whole thing comes. You can take this out, and then this is the new one. You see 4 pipes. These 2 for hot and cold, and this is for your spray. So this one connect back here. Once you put it down, there will be connector, and this is from bottom. You just have to tight it. That's it. So let's try it. It should be straightforward. So all goes here. Yeah, this is standard size. So let's see. Okay, this is loose, so we will tight it, and then let's put it. Okay. So all you have to do is press all of this. Come on. Okay. So I got all of them. So I've already placed this one. I have to connect the weight. Still, this is light. The toughest part in putting this was this thing. I had to figure it out how to take this out from the bottom, connecting here. So this is very straightforward. What you have to do is hold by hand and turn it down. I was trying to figure it out if there is any lock here, but there is no lock. So just hold it like that, turn it, it will open. And same for the new one. Put it back and just keep turning by hand till you hear little sound click, and this will be locked like this. That's it. And opening, turn it back. That's it. So that's it. And then what I have to do is I have to connect all the water lines back. That's it. We're done. Okay, so my soap dispenser is also connected. Now I just need to put this down here, and then I think all my major task is done. So now we have to connect this spray together. You see this arrow mark here. This one goes black, goes here. That's it. And then you have to push it white, side white. So you will hear click sound, and I think should be okay. Let's see. Okay. Sure, start. Yeah. And then let's see which one is hot. Hot will go to hot water. Okay, so all the lines are connected. I have put the weight here. I connected this one. Now let's see, everything is ready. So my new water faucet, kitchen faucet is done. So let's see if there's the water force. I think too high force, I think. Yeah, it's really fast. That's what we wanted. So I think it's working fine. It's still good. And then this is the dispenser. Come on. Okay, first time. So yes, it's coming. This was it, and I think all done. So with cameraman discussing, if anything needed, please contact. Feel free, Anishan. Thank you. Bye bye.